Today I will show you how to find missing dimensions of any object with the help of AutoCAD. Okay, suppose we have this door which I am going to put in AutoCAD, and I will show you. Okay, we have this door. We know it has 4.5 feet this dimension, and we don't know what's its length. We don't have any idea. There is a method in an AutoCAD in which we can just approximately, I would say, we can see what is the dimension of any object if we only have the known dimension of any of its one side. Okay, as we have this 4.5 feet and we don't know this length, there is a method in which we can see what is the dimension. Okay, let's suppose we see directly dimension like this and this. So if we see carefully, what's the dimension? Is 386 7 feet 0.4 inches. That is obviously this is wrong. Obviously this is wrong. So I will show you what is the method. First we will scale our object so that it becomes a reasonable or a good to go one. This seems to be a reasonable one. First of all, we will draw a line 4.5 feet as it is here. We will draw a line over here 4.5 feet long. So we will type 4.5, enter. This is our line. Okay, this is our line. As you can see, this is not ortho, so this is not going to work. We have to draw an ortho line because this is something which is related to ratios thing which we are working with. 4.5 is the line, so we are done with the line. But as we can see, it will be hard to work as our door is very big and the line is very small, so we will rescale our door so that it becomes reasonable. Okay, this seems to be good. Okay, we will move it. This, I'm doing all this thing, this is for making things easier. Okay, when this is all for making things a bit easy. Okay, so this one is simple. Okay, so what we have to do here, first we will see are our dimensions correct. Let us see what dimension it comes. Okay, it comes as we know, I have plotted it 4.5, so it must be 4.5. Let's see again. 4.5. okay, that's great. Let's put it there, huh? So what we will do, we will just use this tool over here which is align. We will align things. First of all, to use align, I have to draw something on the photo to make it as a reference, and then align the photo according to this line and this line over here. Okay, so line is drawn, we have drawn the line. Okay, now what we will do, we will go to align tool, select the align, select these both, door as well as this line, and after that I will right click over here at this corner and join this with the line I have already drawn, which is 4.5 feet, and another over here. This line will join with this point over here. Okay, I'm done. I will type enter and I will say scale object based on alignment point. Yes, obviously. Okay, there we go, it's done. Now the photo which I have provided is scaled accordingly to this dimension. That means that this dimension 4.5, our line which I had drawn, and this photo are now aligned accordingly. Okay, let's check the dimension to see whether everything is all right. Let us see this dimension over here. Let's see from this to this. Okay, break up now. So if you see, let me again make it simple, just wait. We want to see the dimension. Okay, wait a minute, let's make another line and see whether we have done everything right. Okay, this is our line. Let's see its dimension, whether it is dimensionally correct or not, whether we have done the right procedure or not. Okay, as you can see, let's move this a bit or up. Let's move this up. What you can see, it's 4.5. That means we are absolutely correct. Our image is aligned. Now what's the final step? We have to find this dimension. It's easy again. Draw the line, ensure ortho is open. Okay, you can zoom as much as you like for your precision. Okay, line is drawn. Type enter, go to dimensions, see it now. You can easily see the dimension of this line. Where is the line? Okay, touch the line. What's the dimension? Tell me dimension. Okay, 7.15 feet. Okay, we are done. That means without measuring it with tape, we have done it with AutoCAD. We have seen it is 7.15 feet and inches. We have done the measurement of this dimension without using feet. That's the beauty of AutoCAD. It's easily, it can do things. Thank you. See you soon.